It's early spring, and much of North America is still locked in ice. As our tilted planet orbits the Sun, the Northern Hemisphere receives increasing sunlight and wakens an animal with an almost supernatural ability. It is frozen solid, like a block of ice, and has been all winter. An ordinary-looking frog, but an extraordinary one. A wood frog. Its heart has stopped beating completely. But as the sun's power increases, almost miraculously, it begins to change. Its frozen blood is melting and begins to flow through its veins as its heart begins to beat again. The wood frog is cryogenic. In just 12 hours, it thaws and comes back to life as if by magic. This defrosting ability means it's ready for the moment when, at last, spring arrives. All across the Northern Hemisphere, the sun's warmth is bringing dramatic change.